chicken. Okay? Deep fry muna natin yung chicken. Sutayin muna tayo. Garlic. Onion. Ginger. Tapos yung ginawa kong soy sauce na may Chongqing wine, oyster sauce, white wine, saka sesame oil, sugar, saka black pepper, cornstarch. Then balik natin yung chicken. Green onion and ginger. There you have it. Last part, sesame seeds. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.